Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn about how to create abstract of cost in Excel. So let's get started. I'll just start from here and let me just merge and center some of the columns, and I'll write here as abstract of cost. Okay, done. Next we need to just create some of the columns like item number. I'll start from here. Item number, I have already explained this. Then we have particulars. Okay, let me just expand this little bit, and next to it we need to just add here a quantity. Okay, so quantity column, quantity. Next to it we need to just add here a unit for that particular item, and next we need to just add here rate. Okay, and at last we need to add here amount. Okay, so this is done from here. Let me just, okay, so this is how we can just add some of the columns like item number, particulars, okay, quantity, unit, rate, and amount. And let me just expand this little bit, okay, like this, because we need to just add here a detail. Now after doing this, I'll just select this one and I want to just merge this one like this. Okay, I want to merge this as well. Okay, and then I'll simply select this one, right click, go into the format cell. I'll go with the border option, and I'll select this one, and I want to just give here a outline as this border. Then I'll select this one and I want to just give it as inside. Okay, this one as inside border and this one as outside, and I'll press OK, and you can see our abstract of cost sheet has been created over here. You can zoom it as well, okay, like this. Now if you want to just save, you can go here in file, you can save directly in Excel workbook, or if you want to just save it in PDF, I have already explained the process. Go into the save and give the location over here. Then you can select the format from here. You can select it as PDF Excel 97 2003, okay, like this. So if you want to just save it in original file format as Excel file workbook, you can select this one and you can save it. Okay, so this is how we can just create abstract of cost in Excel. Hope you really understand this. I'll see you in the next.